In this video, we'll learn how to make soba noodles from scratch. Let's get started! Hi guys, welcome to my channel That Expect Life, where we cover all aspects of being an expat. In this video, we'll tackle the soba noodles dish. To make a soba noodles dish, we'll need 300 grams of soba noodles, 1/3 cup of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of grapeseed oil, 3 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 cups of spring onions, 3 cups of brown and white mushrooms, 3 cups of shredded cabbage and carrots. Now, chop your mushrooms and spring onions. Mix your wet ingredients and spices and whisk them together. Place your soba noodles in boiling water for 4 to 5 minutes. After draining the noodles, put your grapeseed oil in the pan and saute the chopped mushrooms and let them sweat a bit. After a minute or so, add in the shredded cabbage and carrots as well as the spring onions. Add your sauce mix. Add the toasted sesame seeds, leave a bit for garnish. Mix together and let it cook for a minute. Add the soba noodles. Mix the noodles with the sauteed ingredients. Once you plate your noodles, for garnish, add the spring onions across the plate. Add your toasted sesame seeds as well. And that's our dish. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching y'all. If you like the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. You will find the recipe listed in the description below. See you soon.